Hi folks, welcome back to channels. Today we are time traveling through China's economic boom, a saga where GDP grows faster than your neighbor's TikTok fame. Imagine Fast and Furious meet the Wolf of Wall Street, but with more dumplings and few explosions. Let's unpack how China went from made in China into zooming past China in just 20 years. Let's start with numbers, because nothing screams fun like trillion-dollar statistics. In 2001, when China joined WTO, its GDP was 1.3 trillion. Fast forward to 2024, it's a jaw-dropping 18.1 trillion, making it the world's second largest economy. That's like upgrading from a bicycle to a spaceship in one Amazon Prime delivery window.
Nice.
For 2 decades, China averaged a 9% annual GDP growth rate, outpacing even Usain Bolt's sprint. In 2024 alone, its economic growth added a chunk equivalent to Sweden's entire GDP. Even COVID-19 couldn't stop this trend. While the world panicked in 2020, China achieved 2.3% growth, the only major economy to dodge recession. If China's GDP were a TikTok dance, it'd be the renegade. Everyone's trying to copy, but no one can keep up. China's GDP isn't just big, it's a shape-shifting unicorn. Manufacturing now contributes 30% of global industrial output. Your iPhone, IKEA lamp, and the suspiciously cheap Halloween costume, all likely stamped made in China. While West debate, is AI scary? China built 6G towers closer than bamboo shoots and rolled out AI-powered drones that deliver lamb hotpot from Inner Mongolia. With 1.4 billion people craving bubble tea and smartphones, China's consumer market bloomed to 6.5 trillion, bigger than Japan and Germany combined.
Oh my god! Wow!
In 2024, Chinese consumers ordered even Takeout via drones to circle Earth 12 times. Your move, Uber Eats. China didn't just grow, it evolved. While criticized called it the world's factory, China quietly became the largest renewable energy investor, slashing carbon emission per GDP unit by 3.4% in 2024. Solar panels now outnumber KFCs in some cities. China's R&D spending hit $361 billion in 2024, funding everything from quantum computers to lamp growth poke. Chinese scientists film 1 million patents annually, enough to wallpaper the Great Wall twice. Mobile payments hit $70 trillion annually. Yes, that's 5 times China's GDP. Even street vendors accept QR codes and judge your spending habits. China's low-end manufacturing labor is a thing in 2010. Today, it's rising to dominant in AI, robots, and space tech. Because why settle for Earth? Behind every GDP digit, people power. Since 2000, 500 million rural folks moved to cities, equivalent to relocating entire US population twice. Skyscrapers now sprout faster than mushrooms after rain. In 2003, it's only 4% were middle class. Today, it's 50%, or 700 million people shopping, traveling, and binge-watching dramas. Even Chinese seniors embraced the digital age. In 2024, 67% of rural elders used mobile payment, often while night dancing in public squares. China's workforce is so productive. Its annual economic zhenliang could fund NASA's Mars mission 15 times over. But let's keep it real. Growth aren't always glamorous. Local government debate hit $13 trillion, enough to buy every NFL team 100 times. By 2024, China lost 1.39 million people yearly. Imagine San Diego vanishing annually. US tariffs, more like mosquito bites. China just pivoted to sell EVs to Europe and phones to Africa. So you have it. China's economy didn't just grow. It put off ultimate glow up. From sweet factories to AI overload, it's a story of hustle, hotpot, and 1.4 billion people refusing to press pause. Next time you wait 20 minutes for delivery, remember, in China, they've already upgraded to drones. Smash that like button if you'd trade your car for a flying delivering robot. And comment which Chinese innovations shocked you most. Personally, I'm voting for lab growth Beijing duck. Stay curious, stay woke. I'll see you in next video.